Boys, I invited Cleo down to hear you guys play because she doesn't believe you're as good as I say you are.
He says you guys actually have a chance to win the big music contest at the Cats Pajamas Club tonight.
You really think we're that good?
Hey, man, I don't manage losers.
The music lingers in our fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, Riff-Raff, you're right. They're not as bad as I thought they'd be.
Just like I told you. And when they're practicing, they don't notice anything else. So, why don't we sneak on up to my shack?
Why not?
This'll be a cinch. Those three guys are in another world. We can steal their instruments and win the contest instead of them. Come on. All right, men. Run for it before the band wakes up. I told you we wouldn't have any trouble getting these instruments.
Hey, guys, we've been robbed.
Hey!
Yeah. Hey, who stopped the music?
There they go.
Okay, man. Prepare to soothe the savage beast.
Look out below.
Hey, Mungo, you better see sharp or you'll be flat.
They think they can stop us with water wads.
They're coming again. Come on, give them a little of the old fancy drumming, Mac.
Follow me. Yeah! Fire extinguishers.
They'll never get through that junk without a bulldozer. I told you this would be easy. Let's go.
Uh-oh. For what it's worth, here comes the Earth.
Don't those guys know when they've had enough? Give them your best shot, Mike.
Hey,
Ouch!
What happened?
where is everybody?
Oh, no. I hate to admit it, guys, but I think we're gonna need Riff-Raff's help on this one.
You guys done practicing already?
We're gonna have to become fakers. Somebody stole our music makers.
It was those 3 Hep Cats who live in the alley behind the Cats Pajamas Club.
We gotta get more instruments to play today.
All we have left at the music store is a tambourine, a couple of kazoos, and a tuba.
Wanna hear me whistle?
Later, Mungo. Cleo, you go get Bush and meet us in the alley behind the Cat's Pajamas Club.
Well, I hope that's not your entire plan.
Nobody here.
Nobody here but us musicians.
I see you found the culprits already. Put down those instruments and get out of here.
Never mind that trash, Bushy baby. Take a noseful of this lean-to and lead us to the Hep Cats.
Hey, you! I wonder when these guys took a bath last. Come along, gentlemen. I can take you directly to the Hep Cats.
You guys play detective. I gotta get back to the music store.
Sheesh, those guys are stubborn. This time they got a dog to follow our trail. We'll just leave him Mike's cap to remember us by. Let's scram, boys. Allegro!
They're somewhere close. I can smell them. All right, I see yous. Come up with your paws up.
Why is he talking to that hat?
Oh, drat! He thinks the hat's a cat.
Bush?
Not now, riffraff. I got these guys right where I want them. Take this and that and some of these and a few of those. Oh, almost had him.
They're still coming. Somehow we gotta get them off our scent. Yeah, the water in that gutter ought to do the trick.
It's no use. Nobody can follow smells over water.
Yeah, but seeing over water is easy. Get up into that tree, Wordsworth, and take a look around.
I want to see too.
Mungo, no! Let go! Hey, there they are, and they're not far.
Let's go get them.
Okay.
Aye.
Hi, Guy. Bye, Guy.
Whoa! That way!
Go get it, Bush.
They're in there.
Just in time, Bushy baby. That contest is going to start pretty soon. Hey, servers.
See? Make it snappy, boys. The contest is gonna start soon.
We've got him now. I know where we can cut him off.
They'll never catch up with us now.
Nice saxophone you got there, Beethoven. You ought to take care of that call.
Gee, thanks. Uh-oh. Well, don't just stand there, you guys. Go get those instruments back. We're not through yet.
Those Hep Cats won't show themselves around here for a while.
Wrong go, riffraff. Take a look.
I'm giving up music.
All right, all you hip cats out there, the big contest winners are Hector, Wordsworth, and Mungo.
They won.
Of course they won. I taught them everything they know about music.
Oh.